Welcome back to another episode of Continuous Improvement, where we explore the latest trends and tools in the world of technology and development. I'm your host, Victor, and today we have an exciting topic to discuss, the Ionic Framework. As developers, we're always looking for ways to create high-performing, cross-platform applications, and that's where Ionic comes into play. But before we dive into the intricacies of the framework, let's take a moment to understand what exactly the Ionic Framework is. In a digital age where versatile mobile applications are in high demand, developers need technologies that enable the creation of scalable and maintainable apps. Ionic Framework, an open-source SDK, provides just that, allowing developers to build mobile, desktop, and progressive web apps using web technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, let's explore some of the key features that make the Ionic Framework stand out from the competition. The first feature that caught my attention is cross-platform development. With Ionic, you can build apps that run seamlessly across different platforms like iOS, Android, and even the web. This cross-platform capability not only saves development time but also ensures a consistent user experience regardless of the device your app is running on. Next, let's talk about the rich UI components that Ionic offers. These components come pre-styled and ready to use, making it easier for developers to create beautiful and intuitive user interfaces. No need to reinvent the wheel when it comes to UI design, Ionic has got you covered. Another standout feature of the Ionic Framework is Capacitor. Capacitor allows developers to access native device features like camera, sensors, and geolocation, giving your app a more native-like experience. With Capacitor, you can leverage the full potential of the device without sacrificing the benefits of cross-platform development. Now, let's not forget about Angular integration. If you're using Angular as your framework of choice, Ionic seamlessly integrates with it, providing a familiar development environment for Angular developers. This integration opens up a world of possibilities and empowers developers to leverage the extensive capabilities of both Ionic and Angular. One thing that really impressed me about Ionic is its focus on performance. Ionic apps are built with performance in mind, ensuring smooth transitions, fast loading times, and a responsive user interface. After all, performance is a key factor in delivering a great user experience. Lastly, let's talk about how developer-friendly Ionic is. The framework offers a robust development environment, with features like live reload and a comprehensive command line interface. With these tools at your disposal, you can iterate quickly, saving time and effort in the development process. Alright, now that we've explored the key features of Ionic, let's take a look at the benefits it brings to the table. First and foremost, using Ionic can be cost-effective. By leveraging web technologies, you can build apps for multiple platforms with a single code base, reducing development costs and time to market. This makes Ionic an attractive choice for startups and companies with limited resources. The next benefit is rapid prototyping. Ionic's ease of use and rich UI components allow developers to quickly create prototypes and test their ideas. This helps in validating concepts and gathering user feedback early on, ensuring that your final product meets the needs of your target audience. When you choose Ionic, you also gain access to a vibrant community and strong support network. The Ionic community is enthusiastic and active, regularly sharing knowledge, tutorials, and plugins to help you succeed. Having this support network can be invaluable when you encounter challenges or need guidance during your development journey. Last but not least, Ionic is known for its ease of learning. If you're new to app development or looking to expand your skills, Ionic provides a smooth learning curve. With its HTML, CSS, and JavaScript foundations, developers can quickly grasp the essentials and start building apps in no time. Now, let's take a brief look at some real-world examples where the Ionic framework has been successfully utilized. One notable case study is Swirkit, a fitness app with millions of users. Swirkit used Ionic to build a seamless, high-performing app experience across platforms. By choosing Ionic, they were able to bring their app to a wider audience without compromising on performance or functionality. Another success story comes from Untapped, a social discovery app for beer enthusiasts. Untapped used Ionic's capabilities to rapidly prototype and deploy their app, resulting in substantial market success. Ionic played a crucial role in their journey by providing the tools they needed to quickly iterate and refine their product. To conclude, the Ionic Framework emerges as a compelling choice for developers seeking to build high-quality, cross-platform applications. With its range of features, ease of use, and strong community support, Ionic continues to assert itself as a leading framework in the hybrid mobile app development sphere. Thank you for joining me today on Continuous Improvement. I hope you found this episode informative and gained insights into the Ionic Framework. If you want to check out the final prototype that I built using Ionic, head over to http://socialcompanion.victorloot.com http://socialcompanion.victorloot.com. Stay tuned for the next episode where we'll explore more exciting topics in the world of technology and development. This is Victor, signing off. Have a great day.